Okay, well, we just had something come in from North Carolina. My good friend James Varno, who's the best.
Yep, Jim Varno referred me as well.
Yes, Jim Varno from North Carolina. We used to work together at Daddy's. You know,
He
back in the day.
definitely
Back in the day. So, he referred this fellow to me. Thank you, James. I love you,
Yeah,
man.
please let Doug know that Jim Varno referred me as well.
Yeah. Okay, what do we got here? Wah, wah. Uh-oh. Look at all that real estate. That is beautiful,
So
man.
you were quoting roughly 350 to 400 thereabouts. That's what you told me.
Yeah. So, yeah.
I said, let us know if you have questions. We give him the color and what Doug sees in the photos. To him, it's pretty straightforward, and he can, in his words, make it go away.
We're going to make this go away. Right, Andy?
He said, that sounds amazing.
Chip here. Yeah. Yeah, we can make that go away. Let's do it. Okay, this one was shipped from North Carolina. It was already broken. For it was one of our faithful fans sent it. And also my friend Jim Varno, North Carolina, one of the best horn technicians there are. I worked with him 40 years ago. Well, 30 years ago. Yep, back at Daddy's. And moved to Carolina and started his own thing, and he's done very well for himself. And he's a wonderful guy. Thank you, Jim, for the reference. These are gonna go. If you're gonna ship a guitar with a broken headstock, probably a good idea to loosen the tension on the strings. Just saying.
Now, see, I didn't know that. Yeah, no problem.
This thing stripped down. All right, let's get a looky see. Yep. All right, well, let's see how this comes together. We need one of them thingy kebabs. I like black guitars because cosmetically they're kind of easy to touch up as opposed to a transparent finish. Okay. Yeah. Da 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 da.
Trying to pull out on the L.
Jam it in there.
Older guy.
Let the gravity do the work. Suction and gravity. Okay, that should be good. Scorch. Scorch.
Yeah, so that's his thing. Every time he comes in,
There. Where's my water bottle? Here it is. Excuse me. Squeeze me. Squeeze me. Okay, yeah, there's a little bit of a curve to this one, so it doesn't, you don't want to put a mark in the finish if you can help it, so it's going to go there. A little curve to it. But against the nut. You're feeling. Oh, knucklehead. Don't forget to take off the truss rod cover. Doy. Oh, good thing you. Yeah. Yeah. We have glue. Yeah. Doy. Okay. Be attentive now. Blue squirting out of here too. Just a miscellaneous trick here. Stuff is pretty starting to harden up. So work it in there so the glue doesn't stick. I mean, this is that waxy purple tape, which I love. Just to keep the glue from sticking. All right. All right. Now we're good. All right. Take two.
All right, be back over in a little bit. All right, thanks.
Okay. All right. Oh. And just to be thorough.
Well, the reason I asked it was thinking that he had paid $50 and dropped off, and then someone somewhere put that he also paid $50 cash pay. Oh, I may have when I invoiced it put that in place of pay.
Yeah.
On it. Okay, that's the only way I'm gonna get it in that one. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's fine. It's no big deal. He still paid it. There's a sum there. It things we took cash when we took the car.
Over there.
Just do it on account.
Okay. Well, you made it this far through the video. Did you learn anything? Cool, man. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. You'd really be helping me out a big much. Thanks. Well, well, you've made it this far through the video. Do you like the content? If you do, hit that like button and subscribe. Well, you've made it through this video. Well, you've made it this far through the video. If you like, well, you've made it this. Well, you've made it this. Well, you've made it this far through the video. I think you might like it. You may have learned something. If you like it, slam that like button and hit subscribe. You'd be helping me out big much. Thanks, man. Okay, so here we have the Gibson Les Paul that someone sent me from far, far away. One of our viewers, in fact. So we have a little crease here in the laminate. We're going to airbrush that a little bit with some black. In the corner here, we had some damage that I built up with black super glue. And we're going to spray that a little bit as well. Reshaped it. Never know what happened. And down here, of course, the crack that went along here. We're going to airbrush that. I've taped off the binding, of course. And so we're going to hit that with a little black lacquer. Oh, also here, there's an area that was missing a bunch of stuff. Again, the black super glue came in handy just to sort of level that off and to fair it. So, all right. Doo-dee-doo.